Hello and welcome back. If you're new, thanks for stopping by. I have another delicious, simple, quick, easy recipe for you guys to try. It's Mongolian beef. You are going to love it. But first, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. So let's get right to it. So starting off with our vegetables, we're gonna need yellow onion. Just chop them up like this and then ensure that you separate them like this. Next, we're going to need red and green bell peppers, and you're going to cut them up like so. And with this dish, you can use whatever vegetables that you have. It's so versatile. If you have string beans, you can use them. Bean sprouts, you can use that as well. Even mushrooms. So once that's complete, you're just going to cut up our spring onions like this, and you want to leave some of the green part for later. So we're also going to need 2 garlic cloves and just get that nicely minced. And for this recipe, I'm using 1.5 pounds of flank steak, and you're just going to cut them up in strips like this. So for marinade, we're going to need salt, baking powder, Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, cornstarch, and just give that a good mix. And just let that sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. So we're going to work on our sauce. We need dark soy sauce, some water, black pepper, brown sugar, and a little bit of oyster sauce. And next, you're just gonna stir that, ensure that it's well combined. Now we're gonna fry our beef. So to a pan with oil, it's hot and ready to go. You're gonna ensure that your beef is spread out. And we're gonna fry this for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then we are going to remove and set that aside. So once the color of your beef starts to change and looks like this, then we are going to remove. Next, we are going to add just a little bit of oil to the pan, and we are going to saute our garlic and spring onions, green onions, until it becomes nice and fragrant. And then we are going to stir fry our vegetables. And the color and the aroma is smelling so good already. You guys, you are going to love this recipe. It's going to be like one of your go-to evening dinners, like so simple. Next, we're going to add the beef back to this. Just give it a quick toss. Next, we're going to add the sauce that we prepared, and we're also going to be adding cornstarch slurry just to get it thickened up, right? So once it becomes thickened, you're going to reduce your heat, and then you're going to add the leaf part of the green onion that we saved earlier, and you can top it off with some sesame seeds. And this recipe, it's so easy and quick. It's going to be one of your go-to. You come home and you want something that's nice and delicious, that's easy to prepare, no hassle, then this recipe is for you. So please remember, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Like, comment, and share. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.